Are you an expecting mom looking for some pregnancy care hacks? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into 10 incredible tips that will make your journey to motherhood a little easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite emoji in the comments. Firstly, staying hydrated is paramount. You already know drinking water is important, but adding a slice of lemon can do wonders. Not only does it keep you feeling refreshed, but it can also help ease morning sickness. Sleep is next on our list. As your belly grows, finding a comfortable sleeping position can be a challenge. A pregnancy pillow can be your best friend here, supporting your bump and relieving pressure on your back and hips. When it comes to nutrition, eating a balanced diet is essential during pregnancy. However, cravings can sometimes take over. Always keep healthy snacks like nuts and fruit at hand so you can satisfy cravings without disturbing your diet. Physical activity is crucial during pregnancy. Prenatal yoga or swimming are great low-impact workouts that can keep you strong and flexible. Remember, always listen to your body. For skincare, simple is often the best. Choose gentle pregnancy-safe products to avoid any potentially harmful ingredients. And don't forget to moisturize that growing belly to prevent stretch marks. Organization is key during pregnancy. A pregnancy planner or calendar can help you keep track of appointments and important dates, reducing stress and keeping you on top of everything. Self-care is equally important. Take time for yourself to relax and unwind. A warm bath, practicing meditation, or indulging in a prenatal massage can do wonders for your well-being. Knowledge is power, so prepare for labor and delivery by taking childbirth education classes. Being well-informed about the birthing process can help you feel more confident and empowered. Building a support network of friends, family, and other expecting moms can provide invaluable support and encouragement. You're not alone on this journey. Lastly, trust your instincts. You know your body better than anyone else. Listen to what it's telling you and advocate for yourself throughout your pregnancy journey. And there you have it, 10 pregnancy care hacks to help you navigate this beautiful journey with confidence and ease. Remember, each pregnancy is unique, and these hacks will help make yours more comfortable. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.